Welcome to our yoga and mobility session, designed to enhance your body's flexibility and overall well-being. Yoga is a powerful practice that significantly improves joint health, increases range of motion, and strengthens supporting muscles. Beyond physical benefits, yoga also calms the mind, reduces stress, and fosters a deeper connection between your body and breath. Let's begin with some gentle warm-up exercises to prepare your body for movement and prevent any strain. Start by gently rolling your shoulders forward and backward, feeling the release of tension in your upper back and neck. Next, perform some gentle torso twists, rotating from your waist while keeping your hips stable. Now let's move into our first foundational yoga pose. Cat-cow, excellent for spinal flexibility. Inhale as you drop your belly. Lift your chest and tailbone for cow pose, arching your back gently. Exhale as you round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin and tailbone for cat pose. Repeat this flowing movement several times, synchronizing it with your breath to deepen the stretch. Our next pose is downward facing dog, a full body stretch that lengthens the spine and hamstrings. Press your palms and feet firmly into the mat, lifting your hips high towards the ceiling, keeping your spine long. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and calves, and gently pedal your feet to deepen the sensation. Finally, we'll explore a gentle spinal twist, excellent for releasing tension in the back and improving spinal mobility. Sit tall, then gently twist your torso to one side, placing one hand behind you and the other on your opposite knee. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the gentle rotation in your spine, then slowly unwind and repeat on the other side. Now, let's transition into a cool down, allowing your body to relax and integrate the benefits of these movements. Take a few deep, calming breaths, feeling your body soften and release any remaining tension. Regular practice of these simple yoga and mobility exercises can significantly enhance your physical freedom and mental peace. We encourage you to incorporate these movements into your daily routine for lasting benefits.